In an age where social media has become a staple in our daily lives, Facebook opens vast avenues for earning money. Start your journey by understanding the different ways you can monetize your presence on this platform. Begin with the fundamentals. Build a solid profile and create engaging content that resonates with your audience. This foundational work sets the stage for potential income streams. One effective method to earn from Facebook is by leveraging your unique skills or passions through a page or group. Share valuable content, whether it's tutorials, tips, or product reviews. As your community grows, consider promoting relevant products or services. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture. By sharing links to products and earning a commission for sales made through them, you can generate revenue while helping your followers discover great offerings. Another avenue to explore is the Facebook Marketplace. This feature allows users to buy and sell items locally, making it an excellent platform for turning unused belongings into extra cash. Moreover, small business owners can create a page to showcase their products or services. By utilizing Facebook ads to reach targeted audiences, you can significantly enhance your visibility and drive sales. If you are creative and enjoy capturing attention visually, consider creating videos for Facebook. With the popularity of live streaming and video content, you can engage with your audience in real time or share pre-recorded segments. Monetize your content through sponsorships, brand partnerships, or by joining Facebook's monetization programs when you meet the eligibility criteria. This not only helps you earn money directly, but also builds your brand's credibility. Moreover, consider the potential of Facebook groups. By nurturing a community around a specific interest, you can create a space where members engage with one another. As your group grows, explore membership subscriptions or exclusive content offerings. This tactic not only fosters loyalty, but can also provide a steady income. In conclusion, Facebook is more than just a social platform, it's a thriving marketplace. From affiliate marketing to selling products, there are numerous pathways to earn money. By understanding the unique features that Facebook offers and staying consistent in your efforts, you can unlock the financial opportunities waiting within your digital community. Embrace creativity, engage your audience, and watch your efforts translate into earnings.